Hi, I've got a quick demonstration for you to show how a Buzzy Instant application can be integrated with IBM Watson to do some pretty cool stuff. So in this example, we're going to be looking at store reporting. So the user on the left-hand side over here is Adam, and he's the manager who's using his desktop in example to be able to understand what the sales folk are doing out in the field. So he can see where people are visiting stores and sending back valuable information that he can then make decisions and do things or communicate with those people to improve sales overall. The user on the right-hand side is Joe. Joe's out in the store, he's using his phone, and he has access to the same Buzzy application, albeit a limited subset of it that doesn't get to see all the information. So Joe's going to go in and visit a store. So let's have a look at that, how that might work. So couple of different options. You can actually hit add store visitor, manually click the fields, enter data, and so on. That's one way to do it. But he can also use his voice to be able to record what's actually happening out there. So let's click record. I'm at the Gap. The windows look great, but there's no stock on the shelves. So what we can see is that Joe used his voice to record that store report, and which automatically filled out the information, and it knew which store he was at. It had pulled his location information, and if we look at that, so Adam would get notified on his desktop, and he can see automatically that certain fields have been filled out. So the AI bot, in this example IBM Watson, has been trained to understand that the Gap's a store. It also knows that the windows look great, maps to the Windows displays have been updated, and there's no stock on the shelf, maps to backup stock. So it made it really easy for Joe to be able to fill that form out. Joe can also go and do things on his phone, like he could go and add photos, take in-store photos, and feed that information back. And again, all that information is available instantly to Adam using his desktop application. He can also create custom reports, which shows him how many times Joe, let's say, visited stores versus other users out there in a period, in this period or another period. But you can go and create custom reports to pull this data out and present it in a way and visualize it that makes it easy to make decisions. So that's just a quick example of where we're using IBM Watson to help populate this form and make it really easy for users to be able to interact and feed information back to their Buzzy applications. Thanks for watching.